Hello everyone, myself Pawan Kalyan and this is our team Mr. R. Harish and Mr. M. Channareddy and our guide is Mr. G. Ramesh. Our community service project is about automated system to monitor and prevent the spreading of contagious diseases using screening methodology. Now we are going to present you about COVID-19 prevention and monitoring system. As every one of us are aware of COVID-19, nowadays it became a trend of everywhere which is spreading across the nations like a wildfire and the rate of spreading and people getting affected is very high and because of its nature and initial dormancy of symptoms and we haven't found any proper solution for that. So with our project what we can do is in order to avoid spreading of coronavirus in a gathered area or a crowded places we are using this screening methodology and this method can be used in many places like we can use this method in villages or else in cities or else in schools and colleges. And if we automated screening procedure means it should be learned and accessible to everyone and everywhere. And it detect the high cost and time for testing procedure and detect corona. And and there is a research where scientists observed that with clinically a person affected with COVID-19 might have very low oxygen levels. And also it is a dangerous because of these patients who have been infected by COVID-19 may be more significantly ill and they feel very ill. So they should be given closer attention in a medical setting, and they could even feel physical changes. Thank you. And my friend Channareddy will take lead now.
Hi, this is Channa Reddy. I am going to give brief overview of main components we used in our project. Firstly, we will see about microcontroller we used in our project. This is Wi-Fi Mega R3, a new variant of integrated board combined with Node MCU and Arduino Mega. This microcontroller has DIP switches to change its mode of operation. This is MLX 90614 infrared thermometer, which is used to measure the body temperature of the user. This is MAX 30102 pulse oximeter module, which is used to measure the SpO2 level, that is oxygen saturation level in the bloodstream non-inversely. This is OLED display module, used to display the parameters and necessary information to the user. This is IR sensor module, used to detect the obstacle in front of the sensor. Here in our project, we are using this module to dispense any alcohol-based sanitizer. And this is 4x3 liquid matrix keypad used to get the input in terms of their registration number. Thank you all. Now my friend Harish will take lead.
Hello everyone, this is Harish. Thank you Channareddy for your explanation about the components. Now I would like to start my explanation with the block diagram of our project. Now you can see this is the microcontroller that is Wi-Fi Mega R3, which is a brand new board for the market. From this we will be collecting the data from the pulse oximeter and IR thermometer and the registration number from liquid matrix keypad. The flow of our project starts from the IR automatic sanitizer dispenser. The user will be instructed to clean their hands before entering their register number in the liquid matrix keypad. Then after entering their registration number, if they were a registered user, then we will be getting the data from pulse oximeter and IR thermometer from the user, that is oxygen saturation level and body temperature of the user. Then later it will be displayed into the OLED display and can be interfaced with our own website. Now I would like to demonstrate the output of our project. Our project welcomes the user at first, then it will be asking their register number if they were a registered user. We want to enter our register number and we want to press hashtag. If we were not a registered user, then we can bypass this whole process just by pressing the star key present left to the keypad. Now I am a registered user of Kalasalingam University, so I am entering my registration number, and it would give you a confirmation of my registration number later when I enter the hash key. Now you can see my confirmation shown in the display of OLED module. Then this process will start now. I want to keep my finger over the sensors. At the instant of moment, our project starts to display the temperature level of my body, that is 95.6 degree Fahrenheit. Simultaneously, it starts taking the samples for SpO2 level in my body, and I gave this for 100 runs to take the samples. Then it will be loaded with the pulse rate of a person or a user. Now you can see my oxygen saturation level in my body is 92%, which is a very healthy percentage for a person. I hope my demonstration is clear. With our device, the users can screen themselves, and also it can be used to screen most number of people in a gathered area with or without pre-registration. Note, this is a preliminary testing only. The users must not consider this test as a final result. If the temperature of the user exceeds 100 degree Fahrenheit and the SpO2 level falls beyond 90 to 92%, then the users should isolate themselves or with the help of a monitor and confine themselves to the proper ICMR COVID-19 test and should follow the guidelines from ICMR, WHO and the central government or state government. I hope you enjoyed our video and demonstration. Thank you.